Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how I made these Oreo brownies, a very delicious yet easy recipe. As usual, recipe link will be in the description along with the measurements if you guys want to try this out for yourselves. So firstly, in a small bowl, we're going to add in our brown sugar, white sugar, and our butter, and we're going to put this in the microwave until the butter is melted, and then we're going to whisk everything together. Then we're going to go in with our eggs one at a time. Mine just, fell in two at a time. So I just went with it. And then you're, again, just going to mix. Now you're going to mix in your cocoa powder, your salt, and vanilla extract. And then you want to go ahead and fold in your flour. And then you're going to add in your crushed up Oreos, and you want to save a little bit of this because we're going to sprinkle some on top. And I decided to add white chocolate chips and some semi-sweet chocolate chips as well. You don't have to add those, so they're optional. And I also saved some of those so I can sprinkle on top as well. Once you have your brownies ready to go, you're going to put them in the oven at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. And these are the finished brownies. I let mine cool for probably 30 minutes before cutting, just so they can set and they're not burning hot. So after that, I just cut into them and they were ready to enjoy. Very easy recipe and also super duper delicious. As usual, will be linked in the description if you guys want to make it at home. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Bye guys.